Have you got a business idea bouncing around your head? What if you could test its viability instantly? No hours of research, no waiting months for feedback. That's what Validator AI promises to be your AI-powered startup mentor, offering instant validation and actionable feedback. So let's see if it pulls through. In today's video, we're diving deep into Validator AI, an AI tool that lets you plug in your startup idea and immediately receive insights on market opportunity, customer demand, competition, business model flaws, and even potential legal pitfalls. It's designed for early-stage founders and startup explorers, offering structured guidance without the need for expensive accelerators or drawn-out research. Before we dive into the features, let's see what users are saying about it. So on Product Hunt, it's racked up a stellar 4.8 out of 5 reviews. Reviewers say things like works lean and easy, doesn't get too much into planning, pushes you faster into testing and execution, very impressive, great product. So it's resonating with the community, especially among entrepreneurs who want to go from idea to action. Now let's dive into the core features one by one. So let's start with Idea Validation Lab. This is where everything starts. Validator AI makes it incredibly simple to test your startup idea without needing a full-blown business plan. All you have to do is answer 3 quick questions. What is your startup idea? For example, a sneaker display case that saves space and shows off collection. The second question is, who is the target customer? For example, sneaker collectors who own 20+ pairs. And number 3, what problem does it solve? For example, they don't have enough space to store and display sneakers properly. Once you input these basics, Validator AI takes over and does the deep thinking for you. The platform instantly analyzes your response and provides feedback on market fit, clarity, and potential improvements. Think of it like having a mentor or investor look at your idea and say, this makes sense, here's where you should refine it, or this may not work as expected. So instead of spending weeks researching, you get an instant AI-powered assessment to help you decide whether your idea is worth pursuing further. So that's the end of feature 1. Now let's move on to feature number 2, that is your Startup Resources Kit. So once your idea is validated, Validator AI doesn't just leave you hanging. Instead, it unlocks a personalized startup toolkit designed to help you move from idea to execution. Think of it as your next step roadmap. Based on your startup concept, you'll get access to 7 trusted partner tools, each focusing on a different part of your entrepreneurial journey. For example, first one is Website Builder, which quickly creates landing pages to showcase your idea. Advanced Building, start collecting emails and building a community of potential customers. Business Planning, with which you can generate structured business plans to map out your growth strategy. Presentations, build investor-ready pitch decks to present your startup with confidence. Collaboration, use whiteboards and brainstorming tools to work with your team or co-founders. Organization, keep all your research notes and validation data neatly managed. Education, access entrepreneur MBA-style resources to strengthen your knowledge. And the best part is you don't have to search for tools randomly. Validator AI handpicks and curates everything for you, making sure you only use what's most relevant to your stage. In short, once you know your idea has potential, this kit gives you the practical tools to actually start building it. With that, that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to feature number 3, that is startup simulation. So once you have validated your idea and explored your toolkit, Validator AI takes things a step further with the startup simulation experience. Here you can chat with AI-powered customers, get a sense of how real users might react to your product, uncover hidden insights, see objections, questions, and feedback you'd likely face in the market. Preview your first 6 months. The simulation shows realistic startup challenges, growth hurdles, and opportunities you might encounter. This feature essentially acts as a practice run for your startup, giving you the confidence to move forward or pivot before spending real time and money. You'll need to complete Step 1 idea validation, Step 2 resource kit to unlock the simulation. It's like a flight simulator for entrepreneurship, letting you test, learn, and prepare without the crash landing. And with that, that's the end of the core features. Now let's see who benefits the most using this tool. So this tool is perfect for solopreneurs, brainstorming ideas and want quick feedback, side hustlers testing concepts before going all in, business students learning startup workflows, entrepreneurs on a tight budget looking for structured guidance without paying for a mentor. No tool is perfect, and Validator AI has room for growth. The interface could be more polished right now. It feels more like a tech demo than a finished product. Insights are general. Adding industry-specific feedback could give more value. Consider introducing paid tiers for deeper analysis for more simulations. For example, an accelerator program roadmap. And there is no affiliate program or public API yet. Validator AI remains a fully free first tool aimed at accessible entrepreneurship. That set a paid roadmap or mentorship tier might appear in the future. So Validator AI is a powerful free tool that helps you validate and refine startup ideas rapidly. It's built for speed, clarity, and real-world feedback, ideal for founders who don't have time to waste. Yes, it's light on polish and deep vertical insights, but as a launching pad, absolutely worth your time. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.